So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to create, or we are going to design this beautiful church flyer. Call it My Year of Open Doors. Yes, My Year of Open Doors, using our Pixellab. Yes, and this flyer is going to be a step-by-step approach. Kindly watch the tutorials step by step and then practice and send me what you have done so far. So without wasting much time, please, once again, let me remind you that if you are here and you have not subscribed to the channel, then please kindly do so. Subscribe to the channel, like and share and comment, and let me know how this channel is helping you in any other way. If you are benefiting from this channel in any other ways, kindly let me know so that we acknowledge, and then again we continue to do more. If not, we may not know the value or the usefulness of this channel, thereby we may decide to close the channel down. So please, if this channel is helping you in any other way, please comment and let's do more tutorials. So quickly, I'll go to this background side. Yes, I'll just start everything afresh. Yes, I'll start everything afresh. Then I'll go to my background and I have the backgrounds, the details already. So I'll just go there and go and pick it. Okay, so the background is here. I've worked on it and then just select it this way perfectly, and then I'll close this text. Perfect. So the background is done, and then I've worked on the background. If you look at the background carefully, I've put up I put up I think 3 or 4 details backgrounds and blend them together before I was able to get this finished background. Yes, so that is a lot of backgrounds or a lot of images putting together to get this finished background. And in our next tutorial, I'll teach you how to merge or manipulate and get a beautiful background for your flyer. So without wasting much time, then I have to go and import my church logo again. The logo, I'll just pick it and select it. Perfect, and reduce the size drastically. Position it at the center here. Let me center it. Perfect. And then you go to color and then change the color. Then we prefer to use a color like this. Perfect. Something like black is okay because that side is white. Therefore, we must use black so that it communicates perfectly. Then we go to our layers and then lock it. Perfect. Then what next again? We go to our details image and then go and import the 3D text effect. Open doors. Yes, open doors. I've worked on it. Before I was able to achieve this. Yes, I've worked on it, and if you want to learn how to work on these details, how I was able to achieve this, don't worry, I'll show you how to do that perfectly in the coming tutorials. Then I'll lock it again. Then again, I'll go to my resources file again and then import the rest of the details. So we imported this into the canvas size. Then we have to remove the background. So go to erase color, then perfect, then increase it a bit this way to get the white, to get the pure black. Then we can reduce the size and position it at the top this way. Perfect. Let's position it at the top. Then you center it. Perfect. Then go to the color again and change the color to color white. Perfect. That is exactly what we did. Then I'll lock it. Perfect. Then I'll go to my text size and go and type my year, then change it to caps and then select it, then position it on it like this, and then we can change the color. Not we can, it's a must. We must change the color. We must change the color to that of this, and then go and change the font. Yes, you must change the font as well to something like this. Perfect. If it communicates, then that is it. If it communicates, that is it. So this is okay. Then the next thing we are going to do is what? to import something. Yes, this lens flare. Let me import the lens flare into it. Perfect. So we drop it on it and reduce the opacity. Yes, we reduce the opacity. Go here and then reduce the opacity to something like this. Perfect. Then you can scale it to cover the screen like this. Perfect, perfect. So it blends with the text effect. Then I can copy it. Yes, let me copy it and then position one at this side, or better still, close this side and position one here. Let me go and increase the opacity. Yes, let me go and increase the opacity. Perfect, 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 perfect. So we position it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then copy it. Yes, copy it and position it here. Copy it, position it here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. In so doing, you are blending that side with the 3D text effect, which is the open door. Perfect. So close them like this and then go and import the image. Yes, go and import the image. Yes. Okay, so this is the image I used. Then I'll pick it perfectly and then position it inside like this. Yes, let me reduce the size a bit. Yes, position it inside like this. And that is awesome. That is awesome. Maybe I can position it at the center. Awesome, 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 awesome. Then let me lock it. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then I'll come to the shape side and then go and choose a gradient. Yes, let me choose a gradient. Yes, let me choose this gradient. Perfect. And then I'll change it. I'll come to here and then change it to color black. Sorry, change it to color black. Perfect. Then I'll rotate it this way. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And scale it up. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then let me push the bottom up this way. Awesome. I can position it. Perfect. And then duplicate it. Sorry, copy it. Let me copy it and then reposition it at the same area. Perfect, 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 perfect. And I think this is awesome. Or I may select the, let me copy one more. Yes, let me copy one more and position it at that side. And then let me just merge the three together. Yes, let me merge the three together. And then I can decide to close here up a bit. Perfect, perfect, so that the black side will not affect the image too much. Yes, I want it to affect the down, to blend the down of the image and the background together so that the face of the image will be keep shining and popping like that. Then after that, I'll lock it again. Then go and write the details such as the date, time, and the venue and other informations that is required. Yes, the information that is required. Then again, better still, yes, the informations in which, let me go and import the original work with it so that we look at what we brought. So we brought date, then the location, and then social media handles. Yes. So let me just lock this one and close it. Perfect, perfect. So we brought date. I'll go to the text side and then go and write my date. So assuming that the date, assuming the date is maybe 28th February 2025. Perfect, perfect. And we are saying it's at, let's say, 8 p.m. sharp. Okay, 8 p.m. is okay. So change it to caps and then click on OK. And then let's go and change the font. Yes, let's change the font. So this is the font we use. Yes, this is the font we use, and it's part of the font pack. Perfect. It's part of the font pack I shared with you. So if you are here and you have not downloaded it yet, then kindly go through our playlist and get the font pack, download it, and then install it on your Pixellab and then use them for free. So again, then we go and type the location. So maybe the community 25 Accra, Ghana. Ghana. Let's see what again. ICGC Tedua Temple. That's all. Then that is it. You click on OK, and then let's go and change the font. Awesome. So we change the font to this is okay. Poppins bold. Yes, Poppins bold. Reduce the size drastically. Better still, something like this is not bad at all. Then let's go to here and reduce the size. Reduce the size to something like this. And I think this is awesome. I think this is awesome. I think this is awesome. Yes, I think this is awesome. This is awesome. Then you can go and add the location icon. Yes, you can go and add the location icon. Okay, so you add the location icon nicely and reduce the size drastically. Reduce the size drastically and position it at this bottom. Awesome. Then use the position again to position it at the side. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then move it up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now we are going to change the color. Yes, we are going to change the color, and I think we use this gradient. Yes, we use this gradient. Then let's use a relative position to reduce the size a bit. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is exactly what we are looking for. This is exactly what we are looking for. Then let me adjust it and then position it well. Let me adjust it and then position it well. Awesome, 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 awesome. Then we went ahead to introduce in the social media handle. So quickly go to your resources file and then go and introduce them. Yes, go to your resources file and introduce them. So first of all, my Facebook icon, that is the Facebook Live icon. I'll pick it and then position it down here. Yes, I'll pick it and position it down here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If the space over there is not enough, then it means you need to reduce the size of the image, and then the 3D text effects, that is the open door, you need to reduce the size so that you get a perfect arrangement. So Aki-Graphix. Okay, so this is it. Then click on OK, and then let's change the font. Yes, please always choose a best font that will communicate to your, or that will communicate with your design. Okay, always choose a best font. Yes, choose a best font that will communicate well. Yes, some of the designs we see online are very, very great, but the only problem is that the choice of font, they don't know how to select the right font for their design. Therefore, you may have a good design, but it will not be nice. Yes, you may have a good design, but it will not be nice because of the font. Then again, you go to the image, then go to import, and then go and select other social media handles. Add the YouTube icon or YouTube location. Then I'll reduce the size nicely. I'll reduce the size. Then again, sorry, I can go to the relative size and then reduce it more. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Just to arrange it well. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then let me copy the name. Yes, let me copy the name and then bring it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. And guys, all the social media handles that you want to introduce, yes, you can even introduce maybe a contact information. Yes, maybe call or contact WhatsApp information. So just introduce them. Try to introduce maybe this WhatsApp contact details. So I'll just put and then reduce the size nicely like this, and then bring it here. Yes, just arrange it perfectly. Then I'll use the position to put it at the center. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I believe this is okay. I believe this is okay. I can go to the relative size and then reduce the size a bit, and then send it down. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Meaning this name, I need to copy it. Sorry. I need to what? Copy it and then position it here. Yes, and then write the contact details. Yes, the WhatsApp contact number. So for the purpose of this tutorials, I'm using my contact details, which is if you are outside Ghana, +233 then 543 680082. But if you are in Ghana, then you know what to do. Remove the +233 and add 0 straightforward. But if you are outside Ghana, then add +233 before you chat me. Perfect. So this is it. Then the only thing left is what? The arrangement of the details. Yes. Realize that the contact details, because if I bring my guide, here is exceeding. Yes, here is exceeding. And you realize that everything was supposed to be in line like this, and then only the contact number has exceeded up to this point. Therefore, we need to what? Adjust and position all of them. So for the purpose of this tutorials, you can do that on your own. I don't want the video to be too long, whereby when you are watching it to be boring. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share. And basically, this is how we were able to achieve this beautiful church flyer I call my year of open doors using our Pixellab. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Until then, bye for now.